You search for how to buy shares of ASOS PLC, and this video shows the basic steps to find and purchase ASC.L. ASOS is a UK online fashion retailer listed on LSE PLC under the ticker ASC.L, and this is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I use eToro as an example to demonstrate the flow. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker ASC.L to locate ASOS PLC. Confirm you have selected the correct listing by checking the LSE exchange tag and company name. On the ASOS asset page, you will find basic company information and a live price chart. Use these to confirm this is the correct stock. Make sure the issuer name and exchange match ASC.L on LSE PLC. To invest, click the Invest or Buy button, choose the amount you wish to purchase, then review and confirm the order details before submitting. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled for the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your ASOS position will appear in your portfolio, and you can monitor it there. For convenience, the link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform used in this example.